to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying something different, and this is becoming a very popular product. The first time I saw it was on Brihal's channel, and today I'm just going to be showing you all how I prepare this following the instructions on the packet. Alright, so I already have the coconut oil, and I'm just leaving this here so you guys can see all of the ingredients. I'll also research all of the ingredients again because I did it before and I have everything written down, so I'm just gonna give you guys the translation for each of these. But for right now, the only one I guess you guys can figure out is the rose petal, but everything else is in a different language. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I don't know yet how long I'll be soaking these herbs in the coconut oil for, but this is what I'm going to be doing today. So before I put the herbs in the oil, I am just going to do a quick check on the herbs themselves. I do this with almost everything that I use. Like if I buy something new, like a piece of clothing, I would normally inspect it and then throw it in the washer, because my skin is somewhat sensitive, so I have to make sure that I do my own checks for my own purpose. But you can go right ahead and do that, but I like to inspect everything that I use. So this is and it's kind of messy, right? And if you go on Amazon, you're gonna realize that there's a review on this product that states that the individual found a piece of hair in the package. So just gonna go through and check them. No, I don't see any pieces of hair as yet. So as I throw out, I'm just looking to see if I see anything unusual, and I don't see anything else. I don't see anything yet. Some of these herbs are new to me, so this one, when I was researching, this was very interesting to me, this herb. And everything smells amazing, by the way. Everything is dry and I think ready to go. I don't see anything unusual. And you can go ahead and sift it, but I don't want to take out all of the, sorry about that, I don't want to take out all of the necessary stuff. So I'm just showing you guys the herbs that I can bring to hand. So I'm seeing right now a lot of the herbs that came up in my research, and this is what's left at the bottom, but I'm just gonna go ahead and mix these herbs now. And then back, finish inserting all of the herbs in the coconut oil. So you see, it was a good thing that I took out some of the coconut oil, because it would have definitely spilled. So I'm just gonna use this herb to anchor down the rest of the herbs in the jar. So what I'm gonna do, just put it down as far as possible. and it's complete. So what I'm gonna do is cover it down. I still haven't decided how long I'm gonna let this oil sit for with the herbs in it, but the instructions stated, let's see, hope you guys can see that. No, but I can't see it. Let me read it for myself. How to use: dip herbs in 1 liter of coconut oil. Start using after 30 minutes. Okay. Refill coconut oil when required. Do not dry the herbs without the oil. So I'll probably leave these herbs in this oil for as long as the oil is available, and I'll pour out some when I need to use it. That's how I'm gonna do it. And then as it decreases, I'm going to pour in some more coconut oil and do this over a 3-month period to see how well this is going to work. So I'm going to get 2 more jars of this oil because this is the oil that I trust, Dr. Bronner's regenerative argan coconut oil. So I'm gonna get 2 more jars of that, and I didn't even use all because see, we have some here for me to use for other stuff. So I'll come back probably after a week to show you guys how it looks. After a week, maybe I might come back in 30 minutes to show you guys how it looks as well. So yeah, I'll be right back, guys. So in my last clip, I realized I said something that was weird, so I came back to show you guys. See the difference? This one says regenerative organic coconut oil. I don't know what that is about. And this one says organic virgin coconut oil. Very weird stuff. Anyways, so I'm back to show you guys how the oil looks after 30 minutes. So it has passed 30 minutes, and I'm just going to show you guys how it looks at the bottom. You see that cloudiness? So the herbs are already marinating into the oil. So I guess that's why they said that you can use it after 30 minutes. But I want a more potent oil, so I'm going to leave it. I'm going to leave it. I am going to leave it in this for a week, and then come back on here and show you guys how it looks. So there has to be some herb in here that's turning it white. I did pick up some white chunky pieces. I think those are roots. So I did pick up some roots that were white, so it may just be those. All right, and you see, and this is how the top looks. You can really tell that these herbs are soaking in the oil. Look at the bubbles. It's amazing. And just for the record, the oil doesn't smell like the herbs that I smelled before throwing in the herbs in the oil. It smells just like coconut. So yeah, I really do think that it needs to stay in the oil a lot longer than 30 minutes. But I mean, you guys can use your discretion. I'm so excited, really. I'm very excited about trying this and seeing how it works over 30 days and then into 3 months, because really and truly it takes a product or whatever you're doing, a diet, 3 months to show the results. So you have to give it time and you have to be patient. But you'll be surprised to see how fast 3 months goes. So guys, I'm gonna see you guys to tomorrow or maybe in a week. It depends. Just to show you guys how it looks and tell you guys how it smells. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and film this. Alright, so see you guys tomorrow. So this is 11:59 the next day, and it isn't white at the bottom anymore. It can, from what I am seeing, it's very dark. So I believe the potency has increased somewhat. It still looks the same at the top, so I won't even bother taking the jar off, because I also don't want too much air going in there too. So I'll just give it a shake and then put it back in my drawer so it can stay cool and dry for the next month. I decided I'm going for a month, so I will officially begin using the oil on the 26th and the 26th of August. All right. Oh, and that's kind of fun, because then it kind of ties into my birthday in January, when I keep doing this and doing this and okay, enough of me talking. So I'll just put this back in the cabinet, and then I'll see you guys for part 2 when I extract the oil. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. It's not over. We have more marinating to do. Bye.